Hey, pretty girls, it's Tay. Welcome to the Pretty Girls Club. If you know it, subscribe button. If you're not, hey, girl, hey. Look, y'all see how excited I am, because y'all know only a couple things can make me smile like this. One of them is Sassy, and we ain't talking about her. The other thing is making free money, okay? So, as you can tell from the title of this video, yes, it is true. I make money by posting on Instagram. For posting on Instagram, from post on Instagram, whatever you want to say, Instagram pays me to post. Let's get a thumbnail. Instagram literally pays me to post. So y'all probably like, Tay, how, why? I want to just give y'all a story time and like my experience so far, and then of course y'all know I'm gonna include some screenshots and receipts, stuff like that, because y'all know me, it's no cap in my app, okay? So let's just get into like some nitty gritty stuff, or like some, I think, overarching stuff, and then I kind of talk about other things. So first things first, obviously you need an Instagram page. I definitely would say you probably would need a thriving Instagram page. Right now, today, I got 8,851 followers on my personal page, guys. So let me just make this clear now. We are talking about a personal page, not a business page, guys. A personal, like your own personal Instagram. So we're talking about my personal Instagram, which is _obeytay. I will leave on the screen if y'all want to follow your girl. So let's make this clear. We are talking about personal Instagram pages today. So you definitely need a thriving Instagram page. At the time that I was offered the deal, I had about at least like 30 posts, but I've had this same exact Instagram page since 2011. So Instagram kind of see that I have almost 11 years with the same exact page or whatever. So I'm just a natural user of social media. I've been a social media girl my entire life, y'all. I had all the social media apps that you can have. So I've always been into social media my entire life. Of course, I've made different posts, delete, and whatever. So at the time, Instagram offered me originally the deal around, I want to say May. So I had seen like a little thing that was like monetize your reels or whatever. Click here to sign up. Y'all know I signed up immediately, but I will say I signed up literally in like May, but it was not working until August. So no, actually June. So I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna actually turn on my screen record now, and I'm going to kind of show you all what I went to, bonuses, and then I will just show my previous. So as y'all can see, so y'all be able to see this as where I'm going to put it. Y'all see I have 3 different Reels Play. So Reels Play bonus number 1, I had $0 because for some reason it wasn't working in May. And then Reels Place, I also have $0 for June. But July's Reel Play actually started. So I was invited to be a part of the program in July. So I have from July 13th to August 13th to actually make some money. So you all will see right here, my first Reels Play, I got 918,000 views. Almost 1 million views, y'all. Almost had 1 million views in a month. But that was between all of my videos. And of course, you got to get up to 39 million to make the $35,000. Who's going to get 39 million views in a month? I don't know. But they may not. So as you all can see, it says it ended on August 13th. And y'all will see right there, I made $189. So basically $190 on Instagram in the month of July. So August and July. So I don't like how they do it. Like they kind of split the months up. So they're not like YouTube. YouTube is like from calendar day from the 1st to the 30th. But for Instagram, it's kind of like split up. So from July 13th to August 13th, I made a free $190. So I don't know how they choose, who they choose, but it is an option. I didn't like sign up or anything, or I didn't volunteer or nothing like that. It just popped up on my screen one day, and of course I said yes. And to me, like, who wouldn't say yes? Like, you just posting. So I naturally post anyway. I have 3, and it's crazy because all 3 of my, to this date, all 3 of my first 3 t-shirt tutorials One of them got 3 million views. The other one got 200,000 views. The other one got 300,000 views. None of those were monetized, y'all. Like, I wish I was monetized during that time, but I was not monetized. But I guess Instagram saw that my reels were getting traction. I was still posting consistently or whatever without being paid. So Reels probably like, hey, let's give her a chance. Also, I will say to my business, my Instagram page, like my personal page, is a creator account. You definitely got to have a creator account or a business account, but mine is a creator account as well. And then like literally you get paid to post. So I'm going to do another screen record really quickly, and I'm going to show you all what's going on my current page right now. So I had a new one start August 14th technically, and right now I am at $85 right now, and as y'all can see so far I've got 17,000 views, but I literally just started this one. So y'all see the 3 reels that I have. I'm going to challenge myself to post 1 reel every day for like a week to kind of see what it do. But right now, this is what it looked like. And as y'all can see, I have until September 13th. So I need to pick up the pace a little bit because it's almost September 1st. So I'm going to actually post the reels today. And I'm going to try to post reels every day for like the rest of this week to kind of see what it do. But as you all can see, you can get up to 300 million views. That's the maximum. You'll get $35,000. Personally, I just think that, I don't know, nobody is going to get that many views unless you're just like a super viral person or just get like super lucky and just like blow up and just, you know. But for the most part, like I said, my first time trying it, I got to 1 million views. So 1 million views is way more doable. I'm just an average person. I wouldn't say that I've seen a significant jump in my followers. I'm gonna just be honest, y'all. I know people like to sell y'all the dream. I haven't really seen an influx in my followers. I've seen the most followers from like my t-shirt tutorials, but those were way before I got paid. Way before I got paid on Reels. I do have a t-shirt tutorial coming out, so by the time you all see this video, I will have a new t-shirt tutorial on my Obey Tay page, so y'all can check that out as well. But like as far as like followers, I really haven't been seeing a follower growth as of yet, but I've been watching so many videos and they say like the key to it is to post like this one girl said post 1 reel a day for 5 days and your page will jump. So I'm going to try. So I posted a reel yesterday, which is Sunday, and today is Monday. So I'm going to try to post a reel every day this week to kind of just see again. But I wouldn't say just put out anything. I would definitely say still try to put out quality content, because you still want people to interact. Like, it's no point in you having 7 reels on your page and you still only getting 100 views because it's poor quality, bad lighting, things like that. So still make sure that you are trying to post as much quality content as possible. And then whenever it comes to you, it comes to you. And when it comes to you, you're going to be so happy. Again, like I said, I don't honestly, I think like I said, I had got those two reels with me doing a t-shirt. The first one got 3 million views, actually 3.9, so basically 4 million views, and the other one had got 200,000. So I think that kind of is what helped me get, I guess, noticed by Instagram, or, you know, get like on their radar. I'm just assuming. I'm not 100% sure how they choose who to pick, but just still post on your personal page. Like, I'm trying to grow my personal page to 10K by my birthday, which is October 9th. So I definitely have personal page goals because I want to be an influencer girl. Like, I want to be like that girl. Like, I want my page to be like that girl. I want to transition into like lifestyle. I kind of want to, I don't know if I want to do like business coaching on my personal page. I do see people that coaches like from their their personal page and drive traffic to their business, but I don't want to do that. If I ever do start coaching, it would be a brand new page because I want Obey Tay to still be Obey Tay. If I want to post a swimsuit picture, I still want to do so without it affecting my business. If I want to post a little meme, like a little cussing, I want to be able to do that without it affecting my business. And right now I have a healthy balance between Obey Tay and Pretty Girl Bangles. So I don't want to start doing like business stuff on Obey Tay and it get all mixed up. So I'd rather have Obey Tay, Pretty Girl Bangles, and if I ever do graduate to like business coaching and teaching, it'll be that page as well. So keep that in mind too. But yeah, like that's just me. That's my first month experience. So my first month getting paid by Reels, I made $190. To me, hey, that's good for me. Okay, that's a free $190 that I ain't have at first. Okay, but all that money, I'm just putting it. I'm random at this point, but all that money is going to my savings. But that's neither here or there. I just want to say shout out to Instagram. Hey boy, hey, because I know Instagram CEOs are man. So hey boy, hey, thank you for my $190 for free, and I will gladly post on your platform every single day. If you're gonna pay me every single day, I will gladly do so. And also too, as you grow your personal page, you can start getting brand deals, start charging for collaborations, things like that. I haven't got to that point yet, but I'm manifesting that for the year 2023. So I'm gonna just try to build my brand, like kind of build my Obey page, you know, up for the rest of this year, and then, you know, do lifestyle content and, you know, cute girly stuff and all that. And then by the time 2023 hits, I can be getting brand deals. When I say brand deals, I mean I want to work with some real people. Not just no Fashion Nova, Shein. No. I want some real collaboration brand deals. I want to start doing more lifestyle stuff, so KitchenAid type of stuff, cleaning deals, Glade sponsorships, you know, Airwick. Like I want to do big boy stuff. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful. If you are currently getting paid on Reels, let me know down below if you are, or if you just watched this video just to get some tips and tricks. Definitely let me know, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.